In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily zoom in and out of your Microsoft Word documents. Sometimes when you're working on a Word document, you may find yourself needing a closer look at your text, or perhaps you want to zoom out to get a better overview of the page. Whether you're proofreading, making edits, or simply want a better view, knowing how to adjust the zoom level can be very handy. So let's get right into it. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Microsoft Word file. Open up the document you're working on, or perhaps a new document if you're just trying this out for practice. Once you have it open, you're ready for the next step. Now let's talk about zooming. If you're using a PC, this is incredibly simple. All you need to do is hold down the Control key on your keyboard. While you're holding Control, take your mouse and use the scroll wheel. Moving the scroll wheel upwards will zoom into the document, giving you a closer look at the text and making it easier to read or edit small details. Conversely, if you want to zoom out, simply scroll down. This will give you a broader view of your document, which is particularly useful when you want to get a sense of the overall layout. As a little pro tip, using this Control key and scroll function is not only convenient, but also a quick way to adjust your view without interrupting your flow of work. It's a great way to swiftly change perspectives in the middle of your editing process. However, if you don't have a scroll wheel or you prefer not to use it, there's another way to adjust the zoom. If you look at the bottom right corner of your Microsoft Word window, you'll notice a small slider with a minus sign on one end and a plus sign on the other. By clicking and dragging this slider, you can manually zoom in or out to your desired level. This option is especially useful if you have a specific zoom percentage in mind, or if you're working on a touchpad where using a scroll wheel isn't feasible. And that's really all there is to it. You've learned how to effectively zoom in and out of your Word document using a couple of easy methods. By mastering these techniques, you'll be able to tailor your view to exactly how you'd like it, making your work environment as comfortable as possible. Happy editing, and I'll see you in the next video.